Hey yo, this is Dash, and I'm going to come to you quickly on an overcast day. This is a perfect day to do some spring cleaning and clean the outside of your grill. We all know how to clean the inside of our grill, but how do you keep a stainless steel grill looking good on the outside? Hey yo, this is Dash. Get ready. All right, so I'm back. Today I'm going to be using this stuff. It's called Hope's Perfect Stainless. Just something I picked up from Home Depot, not sponsored. But now, you guys have seen, this is my wife's propane grill. My wife, because of the fact that we are at home, everybody's at home, she's been using her grill about once a week or so to cook either lunch or dinner. So I figured I would clean up the outside of the grill. If you guys haven't seen it, I showed you how to season a propane grill when we got this one, but I haven't cleaned the outside of the grill ever. So I'm gonna do that now. So here we go. Now I'm gonna make sure that the day is actually overcast or it's cloudy or it's first thing in the morning so that we don't have any issues as far as the sun burning or baking this cleaner on. And as you can see, it went on effortlessly and it's coming right off effortlessly. Now we're going to get down in the front a little better. And then again with the grain. And it's looking good. That's a remarkable difference from how it used to look. Get the handle. I'm using, this is a towel that I would use, like a microfiber towel. It says use paper towel, but I would use a microfiber towel. This is a towel that I would have used on my car, cleaning up on my car, but I will no longer use on my car because it hit the ground or something, or it's just got some stains on it that won't come out. So we use them around the house after I get to that point. Probably after this is done, I'll chuck this. So you're going to be ready to throw away, or will throw away. Let's get the side tray. And it's coming clean right away. I know this isn't stainless over here, but it's coming right up. Now let's get down in the front and spray along this edge. It's going to take some elbow grease to get that out, but we'll get it out in a second. Let's clean this front panel first, and then we'll go back and take care of this here. Get to a cleaner area on the rag. All right, so there you have it. So really quick, that took all of about 5 minutes. And had I not, this area here is where we do majority of the cooking. So some of that was just not coming off. That is like burnt on. So I'm sure if I came out here with like a Brillo pad or a scouring pad or like a sponge with some sort of scraper on it, I probably could get it all off. But for right now, for what I'm doing, I think this looks pretty good. Anyway, there you have it. So let me quickly show you again the before. And then now, the after. All right, thank you again so very much for watching. Roll the outro.
More water, baby.
Thank you guys again as always for watching. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. If you like what you saw today, if you learned something, please leave me a comment and a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to turn that notification bell on so you can be notified whenever one of these videos goes live. Speaking of live, I go live every Wednesday night, 9 p.m. Eastern. 2 hours. First hour, we talk about barbecue and or something barbecue business related. Second hour, we kind of shoot the breeze, talk amongst friends. Make sure you bring a cool refreshment with you. Anyway, thanks again as always for watching. I'll see you next time.